With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this given question is, in case of measurement of G, if error in measurement of length of pendulum is 2%, then the percentage error in time period is also given, which is 1%. The maximum error in measurement of G is. Okay, so what we are given that the error in measurement of length of pendulum, that means delta L by L into 100 is given as 2%, and percentage error in measurement of time is also given, which is 1%. Okay, we have to find out the error in measurement of G. Now we know that time period of simple pendulum is given by 2 pi root over L by G. Okay, now if I try to write the error equation for the same, then this will be delta T by T into 100. This will be equals to half into delta L by L into 100 plus half into delta L over L into 100. Okay, now why this half is included here? Because this L raised to power 1 by 2 and G also raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, now what we need to find out, we have to find out the value of this is delta G over G. Okay, delta G over G. So from here I will be getting delta G over G into 100. This can be written as 2 times of delta T over T into 100 plus half delta L over L into 100. Okay, even though if you take this particular term in this particular direction, okay, on left hand side, then this should be negative, but we know that error is always added up. That's why we have introduced positive sign here. Okay, so if I put the respective value of delta T by T and delta L by L, so this will come out to be 2 into 1% plus half into 2%. Okay, so this will be 2% plus 2%, that comes out to be 4%. So this is the maximum error in measurement of G. This is our final answer, 4%. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.